Alright, guys, welcome back to Tabir Academy, and today we will be starting off with genetics. So, before we go into this, let's talk a bit about chromosomal structure and function. तो we know कि chromosomes thread like colored bodies होती हैं जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा visible तब होती हैं जब सेल डिवाइड होने लगता है, ठीक है? And chromosomes are made up of DNA and associated proteins called histones. अब हर क्रोमोसोम में दो डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं और हर क्रोमेटिड में एक डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल होता है एंड डाउन द लाइन वी विल सी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ क्रोमोसोम एंड अ क्रोमेटिड एज वेल. So, number of chromosomes that is characteristic of a species. For example, human cells will have 46 chromosomes and fruit fly cells will have only 8 chromosomes. अब chromosomes में DNA होता है which is responsible for the genetic makeup of an individual. And then you also have telomeres right here at the ends of every chromosome. And they are simply the caps of the chromosomes, and it is a region of repetitive nucleotide sequences. This is important. Okay? At each end of the chromosome, which protects the end of the chromosome from deterioration or from fusion with neighboring chromosomes. So it keeps the structural integrity of your chromosome intact. So after every cell division, telomeres will get shortened. Right, so moving on, there's another structure called the centromere right in the middle of the chromosome, and it holds the two chromatids together. There are no genes in this region. ठीक है ना? So it is gene free. And there are two identical chromatids that form one chromosome. So this is one chromatid and this is the other chromatid. And then a gene, ठीक है, which is basically a locus or region of DNA which is made up of nucleotides and is the molecular unit of heredity. इसका मतलब ये है कि it is one singular unit जिसकी बेसिस पे आप किसी भी टाइप की जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन इनहेरिट करें और हर जीन में अलग टाइप की जेनेटिक इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, ठीक है? एंड जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है हर जीन में दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ओवरऑल phenotypic traits of the offspring. So DNA molecules contain the genetic makeup of the individual in form of genes. ये हमने अभी पढ़ा है. And each gene is one unit of inheritance, coding for one polypeptide या one protein that is involved in a specific aspect of functioning of the organism. Obviously, आपको ये पता है कि आपके जो proteins हैं, they all perform different functions, and each protein is coded for by a different gene. Right. So moving on. So much information is stored in a single DNA that it needs to be a very long molecule. And in order to avoid DNA molecules from tangling up, a precise scaffolding with protein molecules is used. अभी scaffolding होती क्या है ये भी हम देखेंगे, but the combination of proteins and DNA is called chromatin. Chromosomes are made out of chromatin. ठीक है? So the proteins which form chromatin are alkaline या basic in nature and they interact with DNA easily because DNA is acidic in nature. ठीक है ना? So opposing natures will interact more comfortably, and these proteins are called histones, as you can see right here. So the coils of DNA and proteins या chromatin are further supercoiled. ठीक है ना? So अगर हमारा एक coil ऐसा है ना, तो it's going to consist of little coils in itself, जो कि फिर एक बड़ा वाला coil बना रही है. That's basically called supercoiling. And one basic unit of a supercoil is called a nucleosome, right? So this right here is a nucleosome. ठीक है? So lastly, we are going to talk a bit about nucleosomes, which have cylindrical shapes, and each nucleosome is made up of 8 histone molecules or proteins. So the DNA is wrapped around the nucleosomes, ठीक है ना? And each nucleosome is wrapped by either 146 or 147 base pairs of DNA. And the portion of DNA called linker DNA between successive nucleosomes contains 53 base pairs. तो nucleosomes के दरमियान में जो region होता है that contains 53 base pairs. Less condensed region of chromosomes is called euchromatin, and that is gene rich and mostly consists of GC base pair content. ठीक है ना? तो अगर हम इसकी staining कराएं तो इसकी staining comparatively lighter होती है. Comparative to what? Comparative to heterochromatin, which is gene poor and mostly consists of 80 base pairs, and it will stain darker. And then you have lastly a kinetochore, which is a complex of proteins that is associated with the centromere of a chromosome. तो एक complex होता है खास proteins का जो कि centromere के साथ associate होता है, और during cell division ये वो जगह होती है जहाँ पे माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल्स ऑफ द स्पिंडल आके अटैच करती हैं और फिर क्रोमोसोम्स को दूर खींचती हैं।